have seen the days of this derby for me is very, very interesting. And well done. And siyempre naman, talagang papakita muli na ang Pilipino, gaya ng sabi, tayo makipagsabay kahit saan, kahit kanino. I think na-prove na natin yan dahil sa mga pangyayari. Nakita naman natin how capable Filipinos are, how dedicated they are, how hardworking they are, how honest they are. So that is something that we can always count on. And again, Filipino talent has shone through because ang dami-dami nating medalya, ang dami-daming medalya ako nakikita. Ibig sabihin, talagang kinikilala kayo na maganda ang inyong naging inspirasyon. Every time I meet up with inventors, and that's what you are, you're inventors. I remember the story about Thomas Edison, one of the greatest inventors. He invented the light bulb. And he was hailed as you're a genius, you're a genius. Well done, you're a genius. So somebody finally asked him, what makes why people call you a genius? How do you define genius? He said, I don't know. But for me to be called a genius, it was 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Ang ibig sabihin, it's hard work. It's hard. You have to solve problems. I don't think about how many nights. I used to do this also. That's why I understand. How many nights you did not sleep. You could not let. Even nakahiga na kayo, hindi kayo makatulog. Dahil iniisip nun, ano ko ayusin? And sometimes you get the answer in a dream. Sometimes you open a book, whatever. So this is it's work. It's work. But once you have that idea, what that we have to do, we have to build something like this. We have to build something that will help. We have to build something that will assist sick children. Once you get the idea, don't let go of it, because it really matters that you stay with it. It's going to be hard. You will be, you'll be, you will lose your spirit for a little while. Hindi na yan, imposible yan. Huwag na lang. Lipat na lang ako sa iba. Don't. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. And it's well worth the effort, even. And your medals are already attest to that. But keep going. This is not the end of your road. You're young. You have a long way to go. So keep going. And in that way, you increase the ease of living here in the Philippines for your countrymen. So once again, congratulations, well done, and keep it up.